Elephants are amazing animals. Did you know they are the largest land animals on Earth? African elephants can grow up to 13 feet tall. That's taller than a very tall basketball hoop. These gentle giants are fascinating to watch. They roam the savannas and forests of Africa and Asia. Elephants are herbivores, which means they only eat plants. They spend their days searching for food and water. Elephants are very social animals. They live in herds led by a wise old female called the matriarch. She is the leader of the group. She decides where they go and what they eat. The other elephants in the herd are usually her daughters, sisters, and their babies. The young males leave the herd when they grow up. They form bachelor groups until they are old enough to mate. Elephants communicate with each other in many ways. They use sounds like trumpets and rumbles to talk across long distances. These sounds can travel for miles across the savanna. Elephants also use their body language to communicate. They flap their ears to show excitement. They might even use their trunks to greet each other. Elephants are always on the move. They migrate long distances to find food and water. These migrations can be epic journeys. The elephants follow ancient routes passed down through generations. During the dry season, elephants travel to areas with more food and water. When the rains come, they return to their home ranges. These migrations are vital for the survival of elephants. Section 5. Home among the Acacias, elephant habitats. Elephants live in a variety of habitats. African elephants are found in savannas, forests, and deserts. Asian elephants prefer forests and grasslands. These habitats provide elephants with the food and water they need to survive. They need vast areas to roam and forage. Their habitat is crucial for their well-being. Section 6. The Poaching Crisis A Shadow over the Savanna. Sadly, elephants face many threats in the wild. One of the biggest threats is poaching. Poachers kill elephants for their ivory tusks. This illegal trade is pushing elephants toward extinction. The loss of elephants is devastating. They are a keystone species, meaning they play a vital role in their ecosystem. Without elephants, the delicate balance of nature is disrupted. Section 7. Shrinking spaces, habitat loss and fragmentation. Another major threat to elephants is habitat loss. As human populations grow, we are taking over more and more elephant habitat. This forces elephants into smaller and smaller areas. Habitat fragmentation also isolates elephant populations. This makes it harder for them to find mates and maintain genetic diversity. These factors further threaten their survival. Section 8. A future for elephants' conservation efforts. There is hope for elephants. Many organizations are working hard to protect them. They are fighting poaching, protecting habitats, and raising awareness about the plight of elephants. These efforts are making a difference. Elephant populations are slowly recovering in some areas, but there is still much work to be done to ensure their long-term survival. Section 9. Lending a trunk, how we can all help. We can all help elephants. We can support organizations working to protect them. We can educate ourselves and others about the importance of conservation. By working together, we can create a brighter future for these magnificent creatures. We can ensure that elephants continue to roam free for generations to come.